This island, boy, yeah. Good morning, my people. So I'm gonna see if I can catch something in the morning, yeah. Weather don't look too bad. It's high tide, so let's see what can happen, guys. Alright. This is how it looking in the morning, guys. Beautiful. I have prawns and I have some fish bait as well. This is what I'm working with. I'm gonna try the prawns first and see what happens. Guys, look at what I caught. This is a big fish. Do any of you know what kind of fish this is? This fish is called a seaweed, guys. Just got soaked by a wave, guys, fully. I was all the way up there. I'm come down to this location closer to where the beach is. Ooh. And there you go. I already get a splash. Alright, so I got a bite, guys. There's a fish on. Oh, what kind of fish is this? Ooh. Oh, I got a fish, guys. Ooh. This is like a snapper, guys. Ah. Yes, guys, finally something bite. This is like a snapper. I don't know the correct name for it, but yeah, finally catch something, guys. I'm not worthless. There you go, guys. Nice. I call it a snapper. Oh no, shit. Getting a bite, guys. Oh, fish on, guys. Oh, this one feel nice, guys. This one feel nice. Whoa, that's big. Oh, that's big. Oh my god, that feels big. Woo. That feel like a nice fish, guys. Whoa, that feels, wow, it's running to the rocks. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no. Woo. Come here, come here, come here. Where is it? Shit. Holy crap, it's a stingray. Holy crap, guys. Oh my god, it's a stingray, guys. Oh man, thought it was something to eat. No way. Woo. Woo. Burst off. Try to push it in. Oh, it's gone. Oh, tighten up my drag. Fish on, guys. Let's hope it's not the same thing. Oh. It's like the same kind of snapper from. Beautiful fish though. So there's something on my line, guys. I didn't even know that there was something. No way, the same stingray again. Oh my god. Not one more of you guys. Seriously? This is it, guys. Seriously? It's like them full of them. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mado. I just caught this fish, forgot. I didn't realize the camera wasn't on. Yeah. It's a nice one, guys. There it is.